How to use personal email certificates with Mozilla Thunderbird. Download Mozilla Thunderbird. And install it. For now, you need to get personal certificates. Go to the webmail site and request a new personal certificate. Wait until your personal certificate is ready. It can take up to 5 minutes. Now you can download personal certificates in private key from the archived zip file on the linked page. Personal information exchange file, protected by password included in the email. Now you will need to import the file into the Mozilla Thunderbird Certificate Store and enter the password for the file. It is also a good idea to add a trust for certification authority, which was imported with certificates. Now you are ready to set up a new account on Mozilla Thunderbird. All settings are imported automatically. Connecting to the mail server requires a personal certificate for the user, and Mozilla Thunderbird waits for selecting the certificate that was imported earlier. As an option, users can set up the use of imported certificates for end-to-end email encryption or signing. Now you can write the first test message to yourself. Digital signing can be added to email messages. Here the email application discovered that the SMTP server also requires a personal certificate for sending messages. Now the message has been sent, you can check the result. You can see the result of the digital signing of email, and it has not been modified after sending. Selected certificates are stored for email server connections. You can see how digital signing added to the email message. Mozilla Thunderbird with personal certificates is ready. Thank you. The generated certificate can be used for your personal email security and can also be used for end-to-end encryption. End-to-end encryption in your email application also can digitally sign your email, which means a recipient can be sure that it was you that sent it, rather than a forgery.